Hey guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back. It is our second OMAD. So we did yesterday and today. We're gonna go back into a water fast tomorrow. So hopefully you guys stay tuned. Click that little subscribe button if you haven't already, and you can join us. Now, if you guys are in my AHA family group on Facebook, it's not my group, but it's the group that I'm in, go ahead and look out for Michael Rucker as well as myself. We post in there all the time, but we are pretty much starting this whole big group of just 5-2 fasters. So if you want to join that, look out for those posts. You can also join me on here and we can support and encourage and motivate each other. So let me go ahead and show you how to make this absolutely beautiful chicken fajita bowl that is keto friendly, low carb, and then I'll do my taste test. All right, you guys, so I decided to prep my chicken. So I'm using scissors here because it makes it a lot easier. If you haven't tried it, give it a try. You can use a knife if you want to. It's really up to you. Next, I am going to make my marinade. It's just olive oil. I add some onion powder, some garlic salt, limes, lemon, and an orange. Now the orange is not keto friendly. I'm just using it for the marinade. It's really not a big deal. I'm not eating the oranges. I added some cilantro, the chicken to a bag, and I just added the marinade. I'm going to marinate that for 1 hour. Then I'm going to start prepping the bell peppers. As you can see, I'm just cutting them up. I have a green one, orange one, red one, yellow one. These are really good. You can pretty much throw anything you want to in there. Here I'm going to add the chicken to a nice hot skillet. Like I was saying, since the orange is not really keto friendly, you don't want to really use the juice as a dressing for this dish. What you do want to do is try and get as little of that marinade as possible. It's really just to flavor the chicken. So the chicken is going to end up using its own juices as it cooks. And so in a minute here, you'll see that it kind of boils up a little bit as it comes out of the chicken. So I added the second bag of marinated chicken to the dish, and I'm just kind of let it do its thing. I'm gonna move it around and kind of make sure that it's all evenly coated with the juices, and it's just gonna kind of hang out and boil. Next up, I'm gonna put some oil in the skillet so I can start sauteing those bell peppers. I didn't want to start that until the chicken was just about cooked because the bell peppers won't take as long as what the chicken does. So that's always a good thing. So just a little olive oil in a hot skillet. You want to kind of toss the bell peppers around in the oil to evenly coat them. And this will also help them get a nice little char going as they cook. I'm going to season it with salt and pepper. You can also use garlic salt. And then just give them another toss and you should be good to go to kind of let them hang out and really do their thing. It smells amazing, let me tell you guys. Oh my goodness. So yeah, once everything's cooked, you're good to go. And this is kind of what it looks like. I added some pico de gallo and guacamole. So good, you guys. Oh my gosh. It's really good. Another OMAD success. So, hopefully you guys are doing well on your journey. If you guys are doing a fasting journey, let me know in the comments below and I'll go support you as well. I have been really looking forward to doing this type of a protocol for a while now. I've done 5-2s in the past, but never consistently. And so to see so much love and support and people really interested in doing what we're doing, it's very encouraging. So I'm looking forward to what the next 9 weeks has to offer, because we're doing a 10-week thing on this channel, and you are totally welcome to join me if you want. There's plenty of time. You can go for as long or as short as you want to. I am here for your encouragement and your support. Just a quick update too, I stepped on the scale this morning and I actually lost 2 ounces after my OMAD yesterday. So that's awesome. The one thing I did want to point out is be careful when you do your refeeds, you guys. One of the things that happens is that depending on your body and what your body is going through, you might end up in the bathroom a lot after you do a refeed or after you start incorporating anything back into your body after a water fast. And it's very common. It's unfortunate and it's very annoying. It's happening to me actually right now, but your body needs to get rid of the stuff that it doesn't want, right? So, you know, I would just make sure you up your water intake, make sure you stay hydrated, possibly supplement with electrolytes, because whenever you go to the bathroom, you're expelling those electrolytes. So you know, it's just something to be aware of. When you do your refeeds, you might end up in the bathroom. It's not fun and nobody likes to talk about it, but you guys know me on this channel. I don't hold back. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me for our OMAD 2. And I will check in tomorrow for the start of our second week of water fasting, Monday through Friday. And then we'll do another 2 OMADs next weekend. I'll start Wednesday kind of researching which ones I want to do this time. If you guys have suggestions, let me know in the comments below and we'll go from there. I'll take you guys along for the journey as always. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great week. Check in with me later for more update videos. I'll see you then. Well, I ate a lot of it, but I couldn't finish it, you guys. It's so good though. I want to just keep eating. Ugh. Oh well, I'm gonna listen to my body. See you tomorrow.